Hi, my name is Colette Nwonye, and I am so excited to be a part of It's My Time to Rise community and working with Coach Shea. I have really enjoyed my journey with her thus far. I was a part of the past book collaboration. She believed, and it was a phenomenal experience. I have to say that it allowed me to address some things that I had not dealt with previously, but it was a very, very cathartic experience, and I'm so happy that I made that initial investment of time and resources. I also am so very blessed to work with Coach Shea. I currently am a civil servant. I've been in my career for over 24 years. It'll be 25 years this year, and I am working on establishing my career 2.0, if you will. I'm very excited to start my coaching business and also my consulting business. And Coach Shea has helped me to develop some guidelines as far as how we're going to propel this forward. We are working on my book that will be released this year in 2018. Yay! So I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Coach Shea, and thank you for welcoming me to the It's My Time to Rise community.